Hello, everybody. Today is Thursday, January 14th, and we are looking at solving two-step equations. Okay, so let's start off with going back and looking at what we did with one-step equations. It was x minus 10 equals 12. So what we did was we make a t-chart. We have to get rid of this by doing the inverse operation. And that's key here because what we are going to identify is that PEMDAS or GEMDAS, whatever it was that you learned, is going to come back up when we solve equations because this is the inverse. Everything we do when solving equations will be inverse, backwards. So if we've got multiple steps, like this one, yesterday we translated this word problem into this equation. Today we're going to solve it. So we make a t-chart, and like I said, we're doing everything backwards. So we're going to start by getting rid of addition subtraction. So we got plus 5, we're going to subtract 5. That gets rid of our 5. We're left with 6x on the left. On the right, 53 minus 5 is 48. Then we separate the 6 from the x. 6x means 6 times x, so we're going to do the inverse operation and divide both sides by 6. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. So therefore, my answer is 8. We can seat 8 people at each large table. Okay? Come back to that one here in a minute. Let's do this one. So we've got t over 3 minus 2 equals 7. So we make our t-chart. Once again, we got to get rid of addition subtraction first. So we're going to get rid of that minus 2 by adding 2 on both sides. Cancels that out, leaves me with t over 3 equals 9. Now t over 3 means t divided by 3. So what we want to do is multiply both sides by 3. Because that cancels out my division. Leaves me with t on the left. 9 times 3 on the right is 27. Now we can always check to see if our answer is right by plugging this in for t and solving. So we go 27 divided by 3 minus 2. 23 divided by 7, or 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7, which is what we got on the right. So therefore we know we did it right. And then we might have something like this. Okay, now this one. Remember how we said GEMDAS? We do everything backwards, so we get rid of addition subtraction first. Except in this situation, because this means p minus 3. The whole p minus 3 is dividing by 6. So that is considered grouping right there. So we're going to take care of just that top part last. That means we don't have any addition, subtraction, regular addition, subtraction in here. So we jump to the multiplication divisions part. P minus 3, all of that is being divided by 6 equals 4. So we get rid of the division of 6 by multiplying both sides by 6. That cancels that out. 4 times 6 is 24. And on the left side, I'm left with p minus 3. Now I can get rid of this grouping, which it's a minus 3, so we're going to add 3. So p equals 27. All right. So that's 3 examples of the 3 different types of problems you'll run into. We will have a Google Meet at 1:30 today and tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to stop in. I can work out different problems from the homeworks if you want. All right. Have a good one, everybody.